Hi everyone, I'm Kate. We are continuing to learn the basics of polygonal modeling, and today we are going to talk about soft selection. Be sure to click on the tooltip in the corner and watch the previous lessons if you missed them. In Editable Poly mode, when we activate subobjects, the Soft Selection tab becomes available. By checking this box, we gain the ability to softly affect adjacent vertices. You can select a single vertex, several vertices at once, or any other subobjects, such as edges. Soft selection can also be used with the rotate or scale tools, but we'll use move more often. Okay, let's take a look at the soft selection options. They allow you to customize the diameter and shape of the effect curve. The first one is fall off. It's responsible for the distance of the effect. Next is the pinch parameter, which allows you to adjust the curve at the peak point. And the third one is bubble, which shapes the curve at the base. These can be used together to achieve the desired result. The affected area is a sphere. The effect on subobjects extends from its center to the boundaries according to a specified curve. Changes are applied even if the elements are different. The edge distance parameter activates the effect only on adjacent subobjects within the same element. It's set in conjunction with fall-off, because in a dense mesh it may be necessary to increase the number of active edges or the diameter of the effect to achieve the desired area. The affect back-facing parameter controls the effect on vertices, or polygons facing away from the normal of the selected subobject. If we disable it, the effect ceases. The lock soft selection function prevents the selection from being deselected and allows you to work on other elements at the same time. As you can see, I select an element, but the previous selection remains, and I can work with both. Next, we'll look at the Paint Soft Selection tools. I'm going to use the Shaded Face toggle to make the affected area more visible. You can customize the brush with 3 parameters. Selection value controls the intensity of the application. A value of 1 is 100%. The lower the value, the weaker the brush effect. The second parameter sets the brush size. The third determines the speed at which the maximum effect is achieved. The lower the value, the smoother the brush will work. You can also right-click on the toolbar to open the brush presets. Here you can create brush presets and have them at your fingertips. The blur tool softens the sharpness of the selection. The revert tool removes the selection, and it can also be adjusted with the brush settings. There are also advanced settings where you can enable additional tools and customize the brush more precisely. However, these are quite specific functions that are mainly useful for specialized professional tasks. Friends, that's all for now. Thanks for your support. Subscribe to our Patreon for even more useful content, and see you in the next lessons.